Have you ever wondered what Jesus was like growing up? Jesus of Nazareth lived a life shrouded in mystery, with limited historical records detailing this period. However, religious texts and traditions offer some insights into his upbringing and character. In the small town of Nazareth, young Jesus likely led a humble life alongside his family. Raised by Mary and Joseph, he would have been taught the trade of carpentry by his father and participated in the daily rhythms of life in their community. Despite his youth, Jesus displayed remarkable wisdom and spiritual insight, even engaging in theological discussions with elders at the temple in Jerusalem. It's said that he grew in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and man, Luke 2 verse 52, indicating a well-rounded and spiritually grounded adolescence. Throughout his teenage years, Jesus undoubtedly grappled with the weight of his divine identity and purpose, gradually coming to understand the significance of his role as the Messiah. His upbringing in a devout Jewish household would have instilled in him a deep reverence for God and a commitment to fulfilling God's will.